Okay, we got our 7 pieces cut out for this character that we're going to be basing it on. We got our very 2 outside pieces. We have our 3 center pieces. And we have our 2 neck pieces, which we don't have to worry about this because this is going to get cut out in there. So that we don't have to worry about. So if there's big knots, as long as they're not going to be in your way, this is too big to leave on. Their small knots aren't much of a problem. I don't think I have any with any of these. Doesn't look like it. So I've sanded this down to get the burrs and stuff off of it. So now we got our 7 pieces, and we'll be able to start gluing them together. We've also cut out our pieces for our hands, and these are 3 1/4 by 7 inches. That's what the size of your hands are. Give you the measurements of these. This is about 7 1/2 by 9 1/2. These very outside pieces are going to be 8 1/2 by 7. And then the 2 pieces that incorporate our neck, we're looking at about 7 1/2 by 11 1/4. It might get cut down a little bit more. I don't know yet. But that's the measurements for these. And like I say, if you buy a 1 by 10 board, you'll be able to cut all your pieces out of that one piece. Okay, so these are ready. We'll be able to start gluing these together. Now, next thing I'm doing is I want to make another one like this, but I don't want it to be exactly like that other one is. So what we're going to do is the outside dimensions are all going to be the same as the other one.